Werner here. Man, I'm on this new high protein diet at the moment.
And grape skins. You know how much protein's in grape skins?
More than one grape skin has more protein than an entire steak.
It has more protein than
Break!
a cup of flax seeds. More than a bowl of millet.
That's really great protein spring. Come on, Scott. Block those.
Cut off the ring, dude.
Cut off the ring. Right there. Yeah. Don't muscle it. Don't muscle it. Keep going. Keep going. Now cut off the ring. Nice, nice. Good. Get up. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, break. Front kick, Scott. Use the push kick.